friends, in this video we are going to see about CO VQAR attainment for practical course, how it will be calculated. Here we have to fill the academic year, course code, name, semester, class, faculty name and all, and COs and their mappings have to be filled here. And then record marks. For record marks we have to for record marks, in the same fashion, individual students' name have to be filled, and performance and record mark and viva mark will be filled for individual CMOs for individual students, and attainment will be calculated at the end as like the previous video. And for lab and semester, the same fashion for all the students we have to fill the CMOs for as like the previous blended course. And for course and survey. For course and survey, it will be calculated or it will be collected from the students by using Google form, and it will be filled. And for print sheet, all the links are given. Record mark, model mark is considered for cumulative, and end semester mark, which is for 50. This is for 60 and 40. This is for 60 and 40% is taken, and for indirect survey, it is course and survey is used. And for attainment, we have calculated 80% from direct and 20% from indirect. In the same fashion, it will be calculated. Next, we are going to see about project, how to be filled the marks for project CO attainment. So in this we have to give input. In this we have to give input as like practical course. So here we have to fill the name, course, academic year, faculty name and all, and we have to fill the COs and mapping of it, and review marks. Next sheet is review mark. So here for first review, second review and third review, concerned COs will be mapped for that particular CO alone, mark to be filled. For in the same fashion, it will be calculated like attended. It will be calculated like attended, how many students attended this, and above expected level and percentage of it and attainment of it. So in the same fashion, for end semester, results are got from the COE and values are filled, and the course and survey is also calculated, and in print sheet we will fix with internal contribution and external contribution as like the similar previous videos. So next we are going to see how the VQAR courses have to be filled. So it is very easy. If you choose all the contents and if you enter the mark, automatically attainment will be calculated. The things which is in color, it is locked, and what is in white screen, we can fill. So for VQAR we have two parts, part A and part B. For part A we have 20 questions for end semester, and for part B we have 35 questions. So in part A we have 1 mark questions, and part B we have 2 mark questions. So attainment is like MCQ question. So attainment will be like, it will be 1 or 0, or it will be like 2 or 0. We don't have any middle level like 1 or 0.5 and all. So we have either or choice. We will get only 1 for part A or 0. For part B we may get 2 or 0. So this is what contribution for CO and the Bloom's level contributions will be calculated here. And COs have to be pasted, and mapping also have to be filled in this particular position. And now we have to fill IA1. So this IA1 question consists of 20 and 15 questions for part A and part B. Individual students' marks have to be filled for IA1, IA2 and IA3. And in the same fashion we are going to calculate the attainment percentage and level. And for assignment, the same fashion, co-curricular 1 and co-curricular 2 have to be filled. And for a course and survey, from students we are collecting by using Google form. Next, course in the matrix. So in end semester we are having part A 40 questions for 1 mark, and part B is for up to 35 questions. So it is, the last question is 70. So this is for 2 mark, and this will be for 1 mark. Contribution for CO and Bloom's taxonomy is calculated. And for end semester mark, so this is what the format. From first question to 70 questions, mark have to be filled for the individual students. and your attainment is also calculated for attended students and course expected students. Attainment percentage and attainment level is also calculated, and in print sheet we are having for this one IA1, IA2, IA3 assignment co-curricular. These are cumulative internal examinations, and for end semester is calculated. 50% is taken as a contribution, and for direct survey, and for indirect attainment we are having a course and survey, and for this particular course 80% and 20% contribution is taken for the attainment. So after calculating the attainment, in similar fashion the PO PSO mapping is also calculated, and attainment for the particular course will be calculated. Thank you.